Is your BMW E90 key fob failing to unlock the doors? First, suspect the battery. The E90 fob uses a CR2032 battery. Replace it if unlocking is intermittent or range is reduced. Remember, a healthy battery should have a voltage greater than 2.8 volts. If a new battery doesn't solve it, the fob likely needs recoding to the car's computer, BCM. Use BMW's in-pay software, third-party apps like Carly, or a universal reprogrammer. These tools sync the fob's unique ID with your car. Many unlocking issues, 70 to 80%, are resolved by these steps. If battery replacement and recoding don't resolve the unlocking issue, the problem likely lies with a faulty door lock actuator. These small motors physically move the door latch to lock and unlock the doors. Actuators can fail due to wear, corrosion, or electrical shorts, especially in high-mileage vehicles over 150,000 miles. Listen for grinding or unusual noises when attempting to unlock the doors. This often indicates actuator failure. Replacement can cost between $200 and $400, including parts and professional labor. Always start with the simplest and least expensive fixes first, battery replacement and recoding, before assuming actuator failure. Remember to always start with the simplest and least expensive fixes first. Looking ahead, automotive technology is shifting toward digital key integration, allowing smartphone unlocking without physical fobs. More durable actuators and digital key technology are emerging trends that may reduce the need for traditional repairs. For E90 vehicles, these advanced features require aftermarket adapters as they lack native support. As E90 vehicles continue to age, expect actuator issues to become more common over time.